she's not here. Key was stolen. I'm gonna make a key and then I'm gonna drop it off to her on my way home. So, I guess I could just pick it. Let's see. I used to be a professional airbager, but then I started picking locks, so now I don't know how to airbag, so I'll pick it. Hopefully they don't come in the car and drive it off. Uh-oh, I think her car is a high security. Yeah, it's a different keyway. Okay, airbag it is. Got the door lock out. Got the door key. I need that little shim again. Toyota Camry. That's the one. Codes. Our key code is right here on the lock. 88804. 88804. Next. Only cut one side. All right, let's test this key out. All right, I thought it was recording. Okay, so we're resetting the smart ECU. We got a 16-minute wait, and then we'll program this on. We're about halfway there, so. All right, the reset finished. Press OK. Add proxy. Okay. We're going to add keys in. There's 0 keys now because all keys are erased. Should beep twice. If it beeps twice, it's done. And it's done. Add another one now. No. Okay, buttons are working. I don't know if you heard it. Door's open, so it's not really going to do much. Let's turn off the flasher before I forget. Key on my lap. Car starts. Let's go bring it to her. She's at school, student. Gave her a student discount, and I'm dropping off the key. It's on my way home, so it's really not like, ooh, such a nice guy. I mean, it's a nice thing, but it's not like a big deal. Lock it up.
I appreciate it
No
so
problem.
much. Have a good one.
Thank you. All right, it's the weekend. I'm going home.